Hello viewers and friends. You have all been watching our videos regularly and also many of them have subscribed to our channel. We are so happy about that encouragement what we are getting to make more and more videos about health, well-being, disease and how naturally we can manage with acupuncture, yoga and naturopathy. In the same series of talks, series of discussions, we have come up with a new topic today which is known as fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia, as the name itself indicates, myalgia. It is nothing but pain in the muscles. Usually this is more relevant or more persisting or presenting with women, unfortunately. And in modern science, there is no specific reason why fibromyalgia comes over. Generally, it is understood that a trauma, psychological or physical, and psychological stresses are main factor for development of fibromyalgia. It has also been noted that those who have a family history of fibromyalgia, they are more prone to get fibromyalgia. Many a times fibromyalgia is underdiagnosed or overdiagnosed. And at the same time, science is still on its way to understand it completely, what exactly is the cause, what is the process, what is the pathology, how do we treat, and all those details are still unknown. But some of the things what is known is stress and inflammation, including our lifestyle, is a major factor which comes with fibromyalgia, which develops to fibromyalgia. And what are all the symptoms usually which presents in fibromyalgia? Most typical symptom is widespread pain in the musculature. It can be upper back, neck, shoulder, arms, anywhere in the body. That is one of the main things, and when we analyze and understand the pain symptoms, we don't find an actual reason for it. So that's why it is very difficult to understand, or any pathological changes are also not found in the musculature or the musculoskeletal system. That's why it is so difficult to understand what is it all about. Along with that, there are a lot of people who with fibromyalgia having irritable bowel syndrome, anxiety, depression, TMJ syndrome, that is nothing but pain in our temporomandibular joint. So these are some of the associated symptoms which come, and many people also push it off as a psychological disorder. Many a times the pain is not just psychology, it is not a psychiatric symptom, they suffer from the pain, the patients who go through it. One of the most important coexisting factor or disease or symptom with fibromyalgia is chronic fatigue syndrome. In the sense, they are having fatigue most of the time, lack of interest to do their day-to-day activities, and also to do justice to their responsibilities. So these are some of the things why fibromyalgia is an important disease, but at the same time not so important disease. It's very difficult to understand and present it. But in terms of traditional medicine, we understand that as imbalance in the energies, especially in the liver energy, stomach, spleen energy in terms of traditional Chinese medicine. At the same time, there can be a little bit of imbalance in the kidney meridian. I mean, in terms of TCM, balance or normal flow of energy or chi or prana is health. Imbalance in the flow of energy in different pathways, what we call it as nadis or meridians in traditional medicine, imbalances are the one which causes the disease. So in fibromyalgia, we understand inflammation and stresses are the main cause, as I have told earlier, leading to imbalance in the energy flow in the liver channel, kidney, stomach and spleen energy, sometimes even the lung energy as well. So that's how in acupuncture what we do, how do we address this is balance these energies by putting very specific, very fine needles which is like hair-like into those acupuncture points, thereby alleviating the imbalances. At the same time, in terms of modern science, what happens is whenever a needle is put in the body, there are a lot of anti-inflammatory effects. and it is very relaxing because happy hormones and several neurotransmitters which are released in the body with acupuncture will help to settle down our stresses and at the same time manage the inflammation. Several top-notch medical schools and medical scientists are of the opinion today that fibromyalgia, one of the answer is acupuncture. You can search online and understand or speak to any professional who understands it. It is usually understood that acupuncture can be one of the major therapeutic module to deal with fibromyalgia. So if any of your friends or any of your known people are suffering from fibromyalgia, first don't hesitate to meet a doctor, discuss your symptoms properly, discuss openly, go with an open mind, and you will get a solution for sure. And I also mentioned about inflammation. We have a detailed video about inflammation, couple of videos on our channel to understand what is inflammation, how lifestyle will address the inflammation imbalances, lifestyle imbalances leading to inflammation, how do we correct it. All those details are there in our inflammation video. Apart from this, it's also very important for us, along with acupuncture, dietary management based on natural principles, and at the same time good lifestyle with yoga therapy will go a long way in managing our fibromyalgia. So you have to approach a yoga doctor or a yoga therapist who is qualified and registered and find what are all good ones yoga practices are good for you based on your symptoms and your personality and the constitution, so that will be a home remedy for you when you keep doing along with acupuncture therapy with the qualified and registered practitioner. Will take a long way to heal yourself from within and come out of fibromyalgia. We at Anandamaya Wellness Center have treated several cases of fibromyalgia with a very good outcome with the support of the patient and the doctor, and also several counseling sessions along with the therapy of yoga and acupuncture. We have been successfully able to treat those conditions. If you need any help on that to deal with fibromyalgia, please reach us. We are available. We should be reachable through our website or on a call. We can discuss and take it further. Thank you so much for your time and patience to watch this video. Please share and subscribe to our channel and view several such videos on health, well-being and disease. Thank you once again.